You're different. You don't like structure. You do things your way. That's what makes you one of a kind. You don't like rules and have no respect for the status quo. You seek what others only dream of. Adventure, unbridled experiences, freedom. You don't do it for appearances. You do it for the feeling. And this is not a boat. This is you. A lifestyle. A choice. Your choice. Introducing a luxurious 2015 Sea Ray 250 SLX. Its 8.2 MAG DTS Mercury Smart Craft motor effortlessly powers the craft that can hold up to 14 people. Enough to search for buried treasure or rescue a damsel in distress. And when you do, show her you love her with this small bathroom. This boat is for people who go after what they want. Adventure awaits.